Here are some last minute tips for your GCSE biology exam and some of the things that I did to get a grade 9. Timing is so important. I would say try and stick to a minute a mark, however, you don't need to spend a full minute on a multiple choice question. There is a little bit of leniency when it comes to the sciences, and that is down to the multiple choice questions and the really short 2 markers. However, if you're planning on spending a little bit more time on the 6 markers, just make sure that you read all the questions very carefully, especially on the 2 markers because they can really trip you up. Again, finishing the paper is incredibly important, so make sure you're keeping an eye on the clock. And when it comes to longer answer questions, you don't need to be writing an essay. Make sure you've got all your equipment, your ruler, your pen, your pencil, because the last thing you need is to go into the exam and not have all the equipment that you need. I feel the need to say this because I went to one of my university exams last week with no calculator. So learn from my mistakes. I was alright in the end, I got one, but anyway, it's really not the point. As you're revising, make sure you actually understand what you're revising and you're not just remembering things. Attempt every question even if you're not 100% sure. Don't leave anything blank because if it's blank, you've definitely got 0 marks. But if you put something, you might have a chance of getting some marks. So try your best and best of luck for your exam.